Happy morning, children. How are you, ma'am? Fine, thank you, beta. Today our subject is English, Nana. We are learning Chinese goes to school lesson, no, beta. So in that we are learning my turn 3 and 4, Nana. Okay, we are learning now. Today we are going to learn 3 and 4, beta. Okay, Nana. So here in this my turn 3, all of you open your textbook and see this one, ma. Open your English textbook and see here. Look at the picture and identify. Here some pictures are there and you have to identify and write the names in the blanks. Nana. Here blanks also there. You have to identify and write the names in the blanks, beta. Okay. See the first picture. Is this cat or rat? Yes, this is a cat. So you have to write down in the blank. C-A-T, cat. You have to write down C-A-T, cat. And identify this picture. See, what is this? Yes, T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Very good. Now, see this picture. Is this hat or cap? Yes, this is a cap. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Okay. See this picture. What is this? This is a bag. B-A-G, bag. Read and write, Nana. B-A-G, bag. And what is this? See this picture. Is this a bus, Nana? No. Is this a car? No. This is a van. What is the van spelling, ma? V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. And see this picture. What is this? Is this there in your home? Yes. This is a fan. What is the fan spelling? F-A-N, fan. Okay. What is this? Is this bed sheet? No. This is a mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. What is this? You are playing no with this? Yes, this is a bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Last and final one. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Okay, Nana, you have to identify these pictures and write neatly in the blank. Okay, ma'am. Now turn the page. My turn 4. My turn 4. Here some pictures are there, beta. You have to identify these pictures and what in these pictures what the children are doing. You have to write down in that in the blank, beta. Okay, ma'am. Say options also there here, beta. Swimming, shining, reading, floating, talking, sitting, chasing, riding and playing. These are the options. You have to correct the option, write down in the blank. You have to see and write, beta. Okay, Nana? See. First one. What is this picture? See this picture, Nana? Yeah, this is a sun. So what happening here? The sun is shining. The sun is shining. So in the option there shining spelling. Yes. The sun is shining. Write down here the shining spelling. S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Shining. The sun is shining in the morning, no? Yes. Now, here, the two girls are, second option. The two girls are here, two girls are there, Nana. See what they are doing? They are talking to each other. They are talking each other. So, what they are doing? The two girls are talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. The two girls are talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, the two girls are talking. Now, the boy is dash the bicycle. What the boy is doing? See this picture properly, beta? Yes, the boy is sitting on the cycle. No. The boy is riding on the boy is riding the bicycle. What is the riding spelling, Nana? R-I-D-I-N-G. The boy is riding the bicycle. Okay, Nana? Yes. Now see here. The boy is, see this picture? What is the boy is doing in this picture? See properly, beta. Yes, the boy is reading. The boy is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. The boy is reading. Okay, ma. Now, the boy and the dog are dash on a mat. The boy and dog. What they are doing? Where they are sitting? What they are doing? On the mat. What they both are doing on the mat? They are sitting on the mat. Boy and the dog is sitting on the mat. Sitting. What is the sitting spelling, ma? S-I-T-T-I-N-G. The boy and the dog are sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Now, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth over, no. The boy and the girl are playing. The girl and the boy both are playing. What they are doing, see, Nana? They both are playing. What is the playing spelling? P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. The boy and the girl are playing. The dog is dash the cat. Here, what the dog is doing? See properly? Yes, chasing. పట్టుకోవడానికి చూస్తుంది. The dog is chasing the cat. Yes, chasing. What is the chasing spelling? C-H-A-S-I-N-G. The dog is chasing the cat. The paper boats are dash in the pond. So what is there in the pond? Paper boats. What are happening in the water? Paper boats are floating. The paper boats are floating on the water, in the pond. See, floating. What is the floating? Floating means తేలడం. నీళ్ళలో తేలుతున్నాయి. మనం ఆడుకుంటాం కదా. When the rain is coming, we are playing with the paper boats, no? So here the boy also playing with a paper boat. The paper boats are floating in the pond. Floating spelling. F-L-O-A-D-I-N-G. The paper boats are floating in the pond. So what is happening in the here, Nana, in the pond? The ducks are, what the ducks are doing? Swimming. The ducks are swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. The ducks are swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. The ducks are swimming. Okay. Now your this lesson is completed, Nana. This lesson, English lesson completed. Okay. Now what you have to do? In the ending, the last page, you have the bits now. Notes. These are the notes. You have to see properly, beta. You have to write down that one. These two bits. Write down 3 and 4 neatly in the blanks, Nana. Write spellings also correctly. You have to see in the box and you have to write down in the blank, beta. Okay. You have to see the options and write in the blank correctly. Okay, beta. Now here in the last bit, see keywords are there, Nana. See keywords. Must see this one. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. S-M-I-L-E, smile. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. So these are the keywords, 5 keywords you have to learn and write, Nana. Okay. When I will tell, I will give you homework, beta. You have to read. Now past tense words. Present tense and past tense. Present tense means what is happening now. This is the present tense. Past tense means those are finished, already over, completed. That is the past tense words. Okay, Nana. Sit. So if I say sit. Sat. Sat means already you sat. Nu kurchoni unnavu. Okay, already you sat. Sit, sat. Present tense is sit. Past tense is sat, S-A-T, sat. Go, G-O, go. Second one, G-O, go. Went, already they went. అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. Went అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. Third one, eat. E-A-T, eat. Ate, already ate, తినేసాడు. Ate, he ate, already he ate, తినేసాడు. I ate, morning only I ate. Okay, E-A-T, eat. A-A-T, he ate, present tense and past tense. Finish, no? So I ate mango yesterday, ma'am. I ate sweets yesterday, ma'am. No, so already yesterday you ate means day before yesterday. So you have to say I ate the fruits, I ate the sweets. Okay, Nana? Okay, walk, W-A-L-K, walk. So past tense, walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. Walk, walked. Walk, walked. So present tense, no, present happening. Past tense already finished. Sit, sat. Go, went. Eat, ate. Walk, walked. Okay, Nana? So these are the present tense and past tense, and this is the opposite words. These are the opposite words. Okay, opposite. Up, up. Up means, yes, up. Down, that opposite is up, the opposite is down. D-O-W-N, down. U-P, up, D-O-W-N, down. U-P, up, D-O-W-N, down. Up opposite down. Up opposite down. Okay, new. N-E-W, new. N-E-W, your book is new. No, this is your book, this book is new. My book is old. Opposite, old. O-L-D, old. O-L-D, new opposite, old. Kottadi, patadi. Okay, paina, kinda. Up, down. Paina, kinda. New, old. Okay, O-L-D, old. Third one, in. I-N, in. I-N, in. In means inside, lopala. In, out. Out means baita. O-U-T, out. In opposite, out. In opposite, out. In opposite, out. Okay, the boy is standing outside the home, no, the boy is standing outside of the class. Okay, in opposite, out. I-N-E, opposite, O-U-T, out. Sit, sit opposite, stand. Sit opposite, stand. S-I-T, sit. Opposite, S-T-A-N-D, stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Sit opposite, stand. These are the opposite words. Up, down. New, old. In, out. Sit, stand. These are the opposite words. These are the present tense and past tense words. You read this one also, Nana. Meeku ivi exam lo kuda vastayi. You have to read and write, Nana. I will give you homework, Nana. Okay, beta? So first you have to finish this one. Afterwards I will tell this one. First you have to finish these two bits, Nana. Just now I told you, no, these two bits 3 and 4. You have to read and write, Nana. Okay, beta? Bye, Nana. Take care, ma. The lesson is completed, beta. Okay.